Hello everyone, my name is Nico and I welcome you to Easy Manifesting. In this series we will chat about how to manifest our desires in an easy manner. Today's topic is all about affirmations. Some people say that affirmations don't work, but is that true? I personally don't agree. By saying affirmations don't work, it's an affirmation in itself. People are affirming and assuming that affirmations don't work. Well, of course, this type of practice doesn't work for them because that's their belief. Some people are saying that money isn't enough for everyone. That's another affirmation in itself. And of course, it will manifest for those people who affirm it and believe it. Pretty much what you affirm day by day, out loud especially, what you think about periodically, it's bound for you to encounter it in this physical reality. If you look right now in front of you, if you look forward and you focus on what you see on the sides, if you focus on your peripheral vision, you will soon see some static energy in the air. Well, that's the energy that surrounds us. Our thoughts float in it, but also our words have an even greater impact on this energetic field. Why? Well, because if you pay attention to this energetic field around you, to this energy, you will see that when you speak something, this energy starts to move and it creates waves. So pretty much what you say, imagine, think, creates these waves, energetical waves that are bound to come back to you. So in order to eliminate this limiting behavior that doesn't serve us, my suggestion is to make a list of your beliefs. Let's say that you believe X, Y, Z about life, about government, about money, about relationships. Make a list about your beliefs, from general beliefs to something very specific. This thing, by making a list of these beliefs, helped me a lot to change my situation. And whenever I have a problem, I write down what I believe about that problem. For example, let me give you a concrete example. In my case, I had a problem with the parking spot. In Bucharest, there is a huge problem with this, and you have to go through a whole process in order to get your own parking spot. So yeah, if you basically buy an apartment, that doesn't mean that you have also a parking spot for that particular apartment, right? So anyway, so my husband applied for a spot. Okay, and you are getting approved to obtain that spot and to pay for it if you fulfill certain rules that are made by the city hall or the town hall or whatever it's called. Okay, so my husband applied for a spot, and for various reasons, sometimes because of the house placement or I don't know what, the guys from the city hall rejected our application or just did not respond. So we had to apply several times. Anyway, but I used to affirm all the time this statement: it's very hard to get a parking spot in this town. So this was my belief, and me and my husband affirmed this statement day after day. Of course, when you do something with repetition, the subconscious mind acts on it and gives you more of what you assume to be true. So one day I caught myself and I said to myself, no more. I am a student of magic and mindfulness, and I cannot be this ignorant with a simple thing as a parking spot. So I made it my goal to manifest this parking spot. I wrote down my belief about the situation, and my belief was that it's very hard to obtain a parking spot. And I changed that affirmation. I changed it. I started to say that the city hall is working for our benefit, that the parking spots in my area are easy to get, that I always find a place to park my car, and so on and so forth. So I continued to affirm this for, I think, on and off for a whole month. And guess what? After that period of changing my belief system, basically, we received a parking spot. Yay! So my suggestion is to try to manifest trivial things that you need in order to build this confidence in your manifestation power. First, change the conversations that you are having in your mind, but also with your family and friends. Change it. Affirm for a while that yes, life is easy for you, that I don't know, if you have the same problem, that parking spots are easy to get and to find, and so on. You get the idea. Okay, so we reached the end of the video, and I would like to know, what is your favorite affirmation? Please write it down in the comments down below, and also don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. See you next time. Until then, happy manifesting.